Hi guys, and welcome to this programming class where we will build a complete contact form that can be integrated on your website and is capable of sending emails. As part of this class, we will focus both on the front end, building our contact form using Angular, TypeScript, and a framework called MDBootstrap, but also on the backend side, where we will create a Spring Boot based server that is capable of sending emails using a predefined Gmail account. Of course, I will guide you on the step-by-step flow on building this entire process. Let's take a look on a quick example of what exactly we will build as part of this class. So we have a contact form in place with 4 different fields. As you can see, validation is automatically in place since we have those red lines. And if we set specific data for each of the 4 fields, so name John Carter, a valid email, maybe something more official for the subject, we can go with reschedule the meeting. And as for the message, let's do something like hi. Let's try to reschedule the meeting for next week, and thanks. And now when we click on the send button, we see this informative message at the top. And let's move to the Spring Boot backend server. You see that email sent with success. And now let's navigate to our email, and you can see that we are able to receive the email. So the front end to backend communication is done, and we are able to interact and receive an email using our Gmail account. So let's move forward and see how we can build this entire functionality.